Honey got another one.
Gotta be like the sunfish color.
Mm-hmm. It's like red. Can't really see it from here, but
Oh dang.
I see the color of this thing.
It changed colors, huh? Am I tripping?
No, it was like that color. Mm-hmm. Dang, another one.
Literally all chilling right there.
Honey's on a roll like I was last time. Got another one. Dang, he swallowed the hook. Got him. Got him.
Another one. Can you see him? There he is. I'm gonna leave it on there. No.
Oh, dang. Oh, he tried to take my ball. Dang.
What is that? A bag?
Jeez.
A bag?
He tried to take my pole.
Ooh, that thing's huge.
He tried to take my pole in. Y'all seen that? My freaking wrist went all the way back. Ooh, come on, flies. Okay, this one. He's humongous.
Dang. That, oh, okay.
Humongous.
Oh, wow.
Dang, I'm all the way back there. You got another one? Dang, honey got another one. Oh! Thought I had him. Got him. Hey, you little guy. And I got him by.
That's cold-blooded.
And I got him upside
I
down.
mean, he could go. Look, he's in the water.
Dang, he's kind of, or he's like medium. Oh, that breeze feels so good. Let me see. Mm-hmm. He's a little guy. Oh, he's not that little. Tiny little thing. He's
Send him back.
catfish bait.
Okay.
No, I'm just saying that's the size he is. He said, I'm out of here. Bye. See you never. That was oh, that one's big.
I felt him right away. I was like, wait a minute.
Ah, that had to be a bass.
Dude, that thing.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Mhm.
Dang.
And I'm behind the camera. I got it.
Dang, he's like wide.
Got him.
Right there.
Got him. Sitting down too. Oh, your soda.
I don't know.
Y'all see me? I'm over here chilling because it's hot. It's 103, I think it said, but it feel like 107.
Right now?
Mm-hmm. And it's only 10, like 21 in the morning. And we've been here since like about 7:15, 7:30 fishing. So yeah. Got him. Got him. Ooh,
Dang, that was big.
another monster.
Good job.
I'll be catching all the monsters. Look at this.
That one's fat. It's like the size of your hand.
Let me see. It is bigger than my head. You got something?
No, I missed one.
I do. Got it.
Dang.
It's a little one, but I got it.
Man, I got a whole log. That's crazy.
Got it. And I had.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. And I had just turned on the camera.
Sorry.
He's a little. Oh, and it's barely on his lip. A little guy. A little guy. A little guy. Oh, he's so little. You might need him on your pole for the catfish. He's catfish bait.
No, I got no weight.
I'm just gonna put him on his pole right there to catch a catfish, so he can swim down the river. Make sure he don't come off. He died? I threw Honey's rod in over there and I caught a little baby tilapia. Look how little he is. A little tilapia. Tilapia, tilapia. And I used to
Got him.
yeah,
Yeah, but I think those are tilapia chasing it.
probably.
Yeah, there's some like bigger ones by it.
Come on. Is your catfish? Catfish. Honey got a catfish. Honey got a catfish. Dang, honey, you got that one quick because you just threw him back out. Good job. Where you gotta grab him at? I think you grab those wing things down. Or keep them up, yeah.
Damn, he barely.
Good job, honey. Let us see. Show this.
Yeah, I can see it.
Honey got one too. Oh, okay.
Good job.
Dang, and this one is barely on there. Look where it's hooked at.
Yeah.
Like through the eye or something.
There's a flash on that side there.
Dang, through the eye. That's wild. Poor fish.
Yeah, he wanted it, but it cost him.
Show the fish. camera. I just got this. Show this. Oh! Dang. Double whammy. 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. Actually, it's 1:10. Could y'all see that? 1:10. And this is how many fish we have at 1:10. Woo! Oh, it's heavy. There's a lot of guys in there. And then, ooh, almost fell. Then over here, let's see. Dang it, my shoe got muddy. Over here, honey, let me see the catfish.
Buenos dias, Instagram amigos y amigas.
Then the catfish is right there.
Just to show you that we're real fishermen.
This is our setup. Staying cool in the water. But we're about to take it down. Cause it's hot out here, honey. And we're out of here. We'll catch y'all later. Okay. It is 1:39 and we're headed out from the spot to go to the Airbnb for a little bit to cool off, and then we'll probably do some fishing for the backyard, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. So I'll talk to y'all in a minute. I am hot. See this face? Hot. One. Yeah. One. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 26, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 39. 39 one catfish. So that was 39 one catfish.